So, you've probably tried chicken wings in the air fryer, but this time, we're adding a special twist that'll change the way you make wings forever. We're starting with about 1 pound or 500 grams of chicken wings. As usual, we're using the classic skin-on, bone-in kind. Trim off the tips and place everything into a zip bag. Most people season wings with just salt and pepper by thinking that's enough. But not today. We're going for something truly unique. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. But let's add a little twist with 1 teaspoon of garlic parsley seasoning. That move is what starts transforming the flavor. In the end, let's finish with salt and pepper, of course. Pour this flavor bomb into a zip-top bag, seal it up, and shake it like you're a bartender on a Friday night. When it's done, let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Now, lay them in your air fryer basket with a little space to have some breathing room for them. If they're too close, they'll steam instead of crisp, but remember, we're here for that golden crunch. Set your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 185 degrees Celsius and cook for 20 minutes. 10 minutes in, open that basket and flip those wings. Our goal is to get them even crisp all around. Want that extra crunch on the edges? Bump up the temp for the last couple of minutes. Just keep an eye on them so they don't go from golden to burnt. Most recipes stop here, but it's not a case for today's recipe. Crispy wings are great, but what if have them tossed in garlic, butter, and cheese? Transfer your wings to a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon melted butter, then press 1 clove of garlic, and finish with 1 tablespoon fresh chopped parsley. You might be thinking, isn't garlic butter enough? Not yet. Add about 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan or Grana Padano. That cheesy snowstorm is going to melt all our chicken wings. Cover the bowl, give it one last good shake, and just breathe it in. And just like that, your crispy garlicky wings are ready. Juicy, herby fresh, and on a whole new level. That recipe is perfect if you were craving something different tonight. Pair them with your favorite sauce, ranch, ketchup, or maybe some cheddar cheese dip. Everything works. What would you add or change to this wings recipe? Smoked paprika? Hot honey glaze? Drop it in the comments. We might just feature your version next. Give it a like if you like this one. Subscribe for more cozy air fryer recipes. And see you in the next one.